What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pull the absolute best motivated seller list from Propstream. That's right, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to get the best list from Propstream that will help you get more wholesale deals. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can learn exactly how to pull this list from Propstream. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down below, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. Other than that, let's get right into it. So let's jump onto the computer and let's check it out. So this is Propstream. If you don't know Propstream, Propstream is literally one of the best all-in-one real estate investor tools that is out there. Propstream lets you comp and analyze properties on any property across the country. So you can search up any address in Propstream and it will give you all the information you could possibly need about any property. So that way you can make accurate offers and also know all the details about every property. It also lets you pull motivated seller data so that way you can do marketing, and it also helps you conduct marketing. It will do email marketing for you. You can create a website. You can do direct mail marketing. You can skip trace data. Propstream literally does it all, and it's very affordable. It's only $97 a month. So if you're not using Propstream, you need to, because literally every successful wholesaler that does deals uses Propstream. So let's get right into it. Let's pull this list. What I want to do is I actually want you to pull this list with me. Hands-on tutorial, side by side, pull this list with me. You're probably wondering, how am I going to do that? Well, guess what? There's a link in the description for a 7-day free trial for Propstream. Not only with that 7-day free trial are you going to get access to Propstream for 7 days, you are also going to get 10,000 record pulls from Propstream. You're going to be able to pull a list of 10,000 motivated sellers from Propstream for completely free. So go down below, click the link in the description, get the free trial so you can log into Propstream and pull this list with me. So pause the video right now, go down below, click the link, get your free Propstream account and log in so that way we can pull this list together. All right, go down below, click the link and log in. All right, now that you've logged into your Propstream account, let's pull this list together. So for me, I'm going to pull Maricopa County, Arizona. You can pull whatever market you want anywhere across the country. So whatever market you're going to wholesale real estate in, you can pull. So I'm going to just do Maricopa County for this video, but you can pick any market. So you're going to want to type that market in up here of where you want to pull the data. And once you search for that market, you are then going to see over here, it will list all the properties that Propstream has in its database in that market. So as you can see, there's millions of properties here. And then up here, it's going to break down for you what categories they have of data. And it's going to say MLS data, so there's 10,000 properties on the market, there's 1,200 pre-foreclosures, 1,100 auctions, there's 252,000 cash buyers, there's 25,000 properties with liens on them, there's 21,000 vacant properties, 129,000 high equity properties. So it does an amazing thing here and breaks it all down for you, okay? But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click filter, and this is where we are going to build our list. So as you can see, our search is empty right now, and over here on the left, we're going to input our criteria and start building our search. So what this is going to do is it's going to filter these millions of records down to a very motivated list that is very small, so we can target people that are highly motivated that will sell their houses to us. It's about focusing in on the people that are going to sell, and that's what this motivated seller list that I'm going to show you how to pull will do for you. It's going to help you find deals so much faster because you're going to be talking to people that are more likely to sell. So first off, we're going to be pulling an absentee owner, vacant property, high equity list. That is what we're going to be pulling. And we're going to put a little bit of length of residence in there. This will make it very motivated. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click owner occupied and you're going to want to put no. So this means that the owner owns the property but they don't live in it. Next, for occupancy status, is it vacant or occupied? We're going to put vacant. So the owner owns the property, they don't live in it, and it's sitting vacant. So it sounds like the property is more like a liability to the seller than an asset because they're not renting it, they're not living in it, they're just paying taxes on it and it's vacant. So why are they holding on to it? It's probably getting deteriorated because nobody's living in it and they probably want to sell it. So as you can see, with those two filters already, we've taken it from millions of records down to 15,000 more highly motivated records. Next, we can go to property characteristics, and if you only want to look for Properties that have X amount of beds or baths or certain year build, you can filter all that stuff here. We're not going to do any filters there. You can filter for MLS. So this is an important thing. We don't want any properties that are on the market. We want to buy deals off market. Because if they're on the market, that means they're already working with a realtor. We don't want to work with that. So we want to put no for on market. You can also filter for a bunch of other MLS stuff, but we're just going to be doing no for on market. Pre-foreclosure, you can sort if it's in pre-foreclosure or not, or if it's an auction or bank owned, or it's in default. So you can filter all that type of stuff there. We're not going to do anything there. Ownership detail. We're going to do years of ownership, but we're going to come back to that. First, we're going to go down here to lien and bankruptcy. So you can look for certain type of lien types. You can sort for divorce. So you can get very motivated here and very filtered right there. We're not going to do anything there. We're going to go down to valuation and equity. This is very important. You're able to sort for the estimated value of the house. So if you don't want to call stuff that's too expensive, you can filter there. The growth percentage, gross yield, all that type of stuff. But the most important one is estimated equity. And we're going to want to target either 40 or 50% minimum equity. So we're going to do 40%. So that means what 40% equity means is that they have a decent amount of equity in the property. They've owned the property for a decent amount of time to where they've paid down the mortgage and the property value has risen. So now the property is worth more than what they owe, so they can sell it for a profit. So you are going to be wanting to work with homeowners that are high equity homeowners because they actually owe a lot less than what it's worth, so they can sell it for a profit. And if they're not able to sell for a profit, they might not be as motivated to sell. So make sure you're working with high equity homeowners. So go ahead and put that 40% equity in there. Then there's a category for mortgage info. We're not interested in that. And now we're going to go back to ownership info, and we're going to filter our list down some more. So right now, out of the millions of records in Arizona, we've gotten it down to 12,000 records, just under 13,000 records. We want to filter a little bit more. We're going to try and go for people that have lived in their property for 20 years or more. Let's see. And that gives us 1,185 properties. So if we want to target only people that don't live in their property, it's vacant, they own it, but it's vacant, and nobody's living in it, it's not on the market, they have 40% equity or more, and they've owned it for 20 years. If we want to do that, we're going to be targeting only 1,185 people that are highly motivated. Let's say you want a little bit of a bigger list. You can go ahead and change that to 10 years of ownership, which I would more recommend to do. Do 10 years of ownership, and now you're going to get a list of 4,530 people. They've owned the property for 10 years. They own it, but they don't live in it. And it's vacant, so nobody's living in it. And they have 40% equity or more, so it's worth a lot more than what they owe. This is one of the absolute best lists to target. Now, if you want a little bit more data, since you're going to be getting you're going to be getting 10,000 records from Propstream for free with the link in the description. You're going to be getting 10,000 records. You can change it to 5 years of ownership and so on until it's 10,000 records. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click here, click add to list, and create and save your list, and there you go. That is one of the absolute best, highly motivated seller lists to pull from Propstream. So again, let's go look at our search. This is our search, so save this criteria, input that same criteria, and you are going to have so much success marketing to this list. I hope that was helpful. Again, there is a link in the description for a 7-day free trial, and you get 10,000 records for free. So make sure you click that link in the description, get the 7-day free trial of Propstream and the 10,000 records, and pull this list and market to it, and I guarantee you will find at least 3 deals from this list. Other than that, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.